Yo guys, another trade recap for today. I know what you're thinking, oh strategy, you already took a trade today, you already took a trade. Well, my strategy is right here. And I added this last night after back testing it. You have two choices. Because I normally have to leave for work at 3:30. So an hour after market open. It doesn't give me a lot of chance to manage positions after that time. So, sort of two strategies kind of. If the higher time frame is bullish, wait for low time frame highs to get swept, a 1 minute break, 1 minute confluence, enter and target the lows. That's a bearish trade. Because the bullish bias, it needs to go down so it can be filled to go higher. So, in that situation, we want to see our higher time frame point of interest get hit for our bias to be filled out. And then, once our higher time frame POIs have been hit, to go up. So, as in the lows swept, wait for a 5 minute break to the upside, a 5 minute confluence, and then 1 minute execution to go up, following our bias. And that's what happened today. So, get rid of this. Change this to this. Here we go. Now, as I said earlier, we wanted this imbalance to be filled, and the 4 hour going into session open was bullish, up. It has not broken structure to the downside. We want to go higher. So that's our long-term bias for the overall day. And we had this hourly imbalance and the fib retracement level from the low to the high, 38.2. That's sort of a key level, and this imbalance got filled. That's our higher time frame point of interest. We had that marked out with this line. So we came into the imbalance, we get rid of the imbalance now, we're no in it, and we took out this line quite perfectly. This would have been our target for our short trade, but we covered that earlier in this first video. We took up that line perfectly, and we got a 5 minute break to the upside. High, closed above, 5 minute break of structure to the upside. And then we see a 5 minute imbalance here, 5 minute imbalance here. And we come in and we fill this 5 minute imbalance. Hop on the 1 minute, wait for a 1 minute break of structure. We get that on this candle here, boom, enter in there, targeting these highs, which are yet to be hit still. But targeting those highs. I had marked out this low resistance liquidity as a point to move our stop to break even, but not take anything out, because as you can see, it's a very crappy RR, not worth taking anything out. We had one contract anyway. But at that point, I moved my stop to break even, and we got stopped out. If I hadn't done that, we would be up here right now, because it never got stopped out. We just played within that 5 minute imbalance still. So on my trading journal, it would go down as a break-even trade. I'm counting this as a win. So I had to go for dinner. Couldn't manage a position, so I would not have moved my stops in that situation. We had this level marked out. I believe it was the low to the high before we took the trade. Was that high? I don't remember what it was. We had that level marked out. As a point of interest. Oh, that level would have put us at break even for the day. I remember now. Would have put us at break even for the day. But we got stopped out first, and it never actually got up to there. So it's a break even trade, as you can see. Entered there, stopped out there. Count history. A break even trade. But I'm happy with that because the strategy, as I showed on the Word document, has worked out. So it's a tough day still. Still a tough day, but we're improving. And over on ES, we had a similar situation, but I didn't want to take the trade because it was not very good risk to reward ratio. But we we had this imbalance pre-session hit and these higher time frame lows like swept out, we came back down, and then we've got a 5-minute break. 5-minute break here. Got an equilibrium. Imbalance came in, filled it. Enter off the 1-minute break there. Targeting those highs for a 1 to 1.06. And that would have won if we'd entered, but we didn't enter. We could have had tighter stops. Either way. Still a negative day. Lost 0.5% today. So lots to learn. Can't really be happy with can't be happy with ourselves, but can't be sad with ourselves because we're still learning. We're still on demo. It's all part of the process. But yeah. Trade recap part 2 over. Yeah. If we'd left it running, we'd be in profit right now, but I was eating my dinner and didn't want to look at it. So my stop was at break even. And it is what it is. I'm happy today. I'm happy. I'm happy with my performance today. Learned lessons. And that's the important thing. As long as we learn something every day, that's all that matters. That's the important thing. So, see you later.